Where are you going? Huh? Hello? I'm talking to you. So now you're gonna be disrespectful out here and you're gonna follow that one? Okay. I asked y'all to stay over there on the porch, and here y'all go, walking off. Who was that? Oh, you going to the corner store? Y'all got money? All right, be rude. Be rude. Don't ask me for nothing. And I ain't gonna be here when you get back. I tell you. I guess I was here when you got back. But no, no. I don't have anything to say now. Nope. I'm all done. I'm all done. All done. Happy Friday. Subscribe to my channel too. Tell your friends. Tell your friends to tell a friend. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button too. Are you listening? Bye.